At GLOJAS, today we have a patient from Kyoto, Japan. Day 1 of the SMART FUE procedure. Let's have a look. After the SMART graft care, what are we looking? We are looking, number 1, there's no dislodgement, there's no bleeding, and we are looking at the graft. All the grafts are intact. We are looking at the direction, all placed correctly, and the distance from one graft to another graft is quite close. This is a dense packing. This area is called the follow, and this is called the irregularity. This is the hairline. The goal here is to get a natural result which is undetectable that he have done a hair transplant.
私は京都から来ました。で、実際に、植毛をしてもらって、すごいデザインも気に入ってますし、で、痛みもほとんどなくて、いい仕上がりにしてもらえたと思います。非常に満足しています。Thank you, GLOJAS!